Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can comment out something in Python. So sometimes we need comment, right? Because let's say here you can see in the first .py, our first Python file. Let's say I want to write here something to remember something that okay, I need to do it, or if someone actually see my coding, they can actually understand that what I'm doing here, right? So for this reason actually we need to write comment. So how can you write comment in Python? So I'm going to create a new file for it. So here I'm going to create a new file. So I'll select on file and let's name it comment.py. so now let's say I want to print something, and here I'm going to say that okay, I know how to comment out something. And if I run the code, you can see this is the output. Okay, but let's say I need a comment. So to comment something or comment out something, you just have to use hash, and then this is the way you can comment out comment in Python. All right, now execute it. Let's remove it at first. I'm going to run it once again, and here you can see, oh yeah, I know how to comment out something, but this the text is not showing here. All right, so this is how actually you can comment out something in Python. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.